How to earn points on American Express. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can earn points on American Express. So earning points on American Express basically depends on which card you have and how you use it. So as of now, as you can see, I currently have 534 membership rewards while I've only spent $114. Now, if you can simply tap on the option view and redeem points, it will show that how much points I earned and how much I spent. So as you can see, I just spent $105 over here and I gained $525, whereas here I spent $9 and only got 9 points. Now you can see all of these details depending on which card you are here to apply for. So in my case, I have an American Express Cobalt card, so it gives me 5x the points on eligible eats and drinks, 3x the points on eligible streaming services, and other features over here. So if you have different American Express card, the point system will be different as well. So you'll have to basically check on the website and see which card you're applying for and what are the benefits or how you can earn points on your American Express card. So that is basically how you earn points on American Express card. Simply use the card while purchasing something, and depending upon what type of purchase it is, American Express will give you points accordingly, whether they will give you 1 point or 2 points or 3 points or 5 points depending upon your purchase or every single dollar you spend. So that is basically how you earn points on American Express. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.